What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the Watt Club YouTube channel. We got turbo to install, brakes to install, meth injection, all sorts of good stuff to make it ready for racing this year. Let's get the car whipped around, easier access to the rear of the car so we can do that turbo setup, and we'll just take it from there. Alright, first step is to get everything out of the way. Get the Wang off, exhaust, blower, just get it all off, get it out of the way. Alright, intake and exhaust are off, alternator's been swapped out for the base model. Next step is to put the oil feed and drain on the car, and then start putting the manifolds back on, and then put the turbo on. Turbo is on. It's a good look. Still gotta get the intake done though. That's next. Intake's on. Meth injection is almost completely done. Piping is done. Intake is pretty much all wrapped up. So now it's time to tackle the exhaust. Got this nice thick flange. Got a nice bend. A nice straight piece. So we gotta clean them up, get them welded, put some bungs in there, Nice. Turbo swap is pretty much done. Turbo's on, everything's plumbed, everything's good to go. Just need to get a tune on it, and I'm waiting to get the downpipe back from getting ceramic coated. Put that on, fire it up. The wing has arrived, so have the uprights. So now we got to get that situated, figure out what angle to put it at, get the end plates made, get it coated, cables. There's a lot to do with that. Well, these are the end plates for the Wang. We got tubular control arms to put on, got stiffer springs to put in. Instead of just sitting and waiting, we're going to go ahead and get started on all that other stuff, and then we'll fire it up when the turbo swap gets all wrapped up. So we'll start with the Wang so we can get that thing coated soon. The wing's powder coated, the exhaust is ceramic coated. So let's go ahead and put the struts on here, wrap that up, put the exhaust on, and then fire it up. See if everything still works with the turbo. Okay, exhaust is on. The wing's not done. We still need to support that guy. Alright, it runs again. We're going to end the video off here. That wraps up the rear end projects on the Goblin for this winter. Now we're going to whip the car around and hit the front end, because got a bunch of stuff to do up there too. We got some suspension stuff, different springs, steering, cooling, but we need to get this thing on the dyno ASAP. See what it makes with the turbo. It made 280 with the blower. I'm guessing 300 with the turbo. Make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with the Goblin build. We've got a lot more to do. It's going to keep getting faster. Later.